Are you considering dental implants to replace missing teeth? It's a popular and effective solution, but many patients worry. Can dental implants fall out? Let's explore the facts and learn how to ensure their long-term success. The process of placing a dental implant is a delicate procedure requiring high skill and precision. It involves inserting a titanium screw into the jawbone, which serves as a base for the dental abutment and crown. After a healing period, the implant integrates fully with the bone. While implant failure is rare, certain factors can increase the risk of displacement or failure within the first year. These include improper bone heating during preparation, insufficient bone density or thickness, incorrect implant positioning, and healing complications, often worsened by smoking. If you have any concerns about the stability of your implant, it's crucial to consult your dentist promptly. They can assess the situation and provide the necessary care. For complex cases, it's recommended to see a dentist specializing in implantology. These professionals have in-depth expertise in managing implant challenges and can offer more personalized treatment protocols. To minimize risks, avoid smoking, maintain good oral hygiene, and choose a competent dentist. Recommendations from health professionals like your general practitioner, occupational physician, or pharmacist can help you find a reliable dentist. After the procedure, follow your dentist's instructions, including taking prescribed antibiotics to prevent infections and using a soft-bristled toothbrush. Regular brushing and biannual dental visits are crucial for the longevity of your implant. For a broad patient seeking quality dental care at an affordable cost, Bucharest British Dental Place in Romania offers an excellent alternative. Save up to 70% compared to your local prices, while receiving top-quality care from experienced and specialized implantologists. Our professionals use advanced techniques and first-rate materials to ensure patient satisfaction and safety. By choosing Bucharest British Dental Place, you benefit not only from significant savings, but also from the expertise and know-how of recognized dental specialists. Call us at +0040744888812 Romania or email office at british.dental. Your journey to a perfect smile starts here. Bucharest British Dental Place, excellence in dental care.